Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm here to explain you class 12th syllabus NCERT poem Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. And the original name, Pablo Neruda is a pen name. The original name, the Spanish name of this poet is Neftali Ricardo Reyes Basalto, and born in Chile, Paril. Okay, and the best part about this poem that I appreciate is Pablo Neruda is a laureate, is a Nobel Prize winner, and it becomes a privilege to read him at literature. So Pablo Neruda here, he exaggerates on the necessity of quiet introspection of the human mind. It talks about how important it is to introspect, to retrospect in our lives as we go ahead in the journey. And many a times we are so drowned, so immersed in the rat race of the society, in the rat race of this materialistic world, that we lose track with ourselves. We lose track with our own soul. We forget the real purpose we are here for. So that's Pablo Neruda's main ambition of writing and communicating this poem, and this poem carries a very important importance and significance for 10 plus 2 students. I mean, this is high time one must understand things from point of view of spirituality, and rather see the world as a whole. Human beings, we are so self-obsessed that we forget the real purpose of life. We forget what we are here for. So we are chiefly answerable for ourselves. We are answerable. We must look within our own happiness, our own our own self opinions. We must have very strong opinions. We must perceive ourselves and our journey of life in relation to the rest of the world. We must not perceive, we should not be selfless in the long run of life. That is the chief ambition of the poem. Okay, now here particularly the theme of the poem concentrates on the fact that we must spare some quality time, even if it is a brief span of time like 12 seconds, what the poet here insists upon. 12 seconds, it is it's one hypothetical brief span of time which the poet talks about, but chiefly he is trying to associate it with the entire year, or the a particular stretch of time which is considerable enough, okay, where we can retrospect ourselves and we can spare that moment for ourselves. And during that time, during that quietude, 12 brief seconds of quietude, we can introspect ourselves, we can look within our minds, we can soothe ourselves, and we can freeze all actions and words, and we come to a standstill. The whole world, it is consolidated into a standstill, so that this is going to be an exotic hour when the whole world will be in a strange togetherness. Okay, so this is the theme, the significance of the poem, keeping quiet.